Hey guys, it's Sofia, Head of Product Development at Supergoop, and today we're going to break down our cult favorite clean chemical SPF formula Unseen Sunscreen. This is Unseen Sunscreen, a completely invisible clean chemical sunscreen. And you probably heard a bunch of things about chemical SPF that, they could break you out or that they are difficult to stabilize. But the truth is that they're a vehicle for innovation. And when formulated properly, they can be wonderful for your skin. Now, you still may be wondering, are all chemical sunscreen bad? Or what are the bad ingredients in chemical sunscreen? And we're going to give you the right answers to all these questions once and for all. The most common trigger for allergic reactions and skin irritation in sunscreen is oxybenzone. It was named the allergen of the year by the American Academy of Dermatology, but it's something that we have never ever used in our formulas. Another common irritant is fragrance, synthetic fragrances, and neither of these ingredients are included in Unseen Sunscreen. We have very thoughtfully formulated this product to be non-comedogenic and safe and effective on all skin tones and types. We're proud to say that none of our formulas contain or have ever contained oxybenzone, which is also the main aggressor to coral reefs, and we're actually in the process of reformulating all of our products to remove octinoxate and make them 100% reef-safe. So let's talk about what makes this product so special. First, it goes on completely invisible on all skin tones, and that has to do with using the right ingredients at the right concentration, blended in the right way. In this particular formula, it means making sure that the avobenzone is properly stabilized and that the silicones in the formula not only are providing the makeup gripping and priming benefit, but that they also enhance the efficacy of the sunscreen actives. And as I just mentioned, the blend of silicones in this formula help it glide effortlessly on the skin, filling in any fine lines and creating a smooth canvas for makeup to adhere and grip onto. The silicones in this formula are crucial for dispersing the sunscreen actives more evenly so that you get a uniform layer of protection that also helps with the water and sweat resistance of the product because these silicones are hydrophobic in nature. It's one of the only primers out there that protect from blue light. And we use red algae in this formula to help shield the skin from the damaging effects of blue light. Okay, so how do you use this? Well, you would apply this as the last step of your skincare routine. So that means after serums or moisturizers. And if you're using this as a primer, then you would wear it before your makeup or foundation. Now, you also have to ensure that you're using this as a part of your SPF wardrobe and are layering it with other SPF formulas so that you get adequate protection, which equals to about 1/4 teaspoon of sunscreen formula for your face. So to wrap up, Unseen Sunscreen is a clean chemical SPF formula that goes on completely clear, works on all skin types and tones. It also protects from blue light and acts as a makeup gripping primer. But if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll make sure to get back to you. See you next time.